entered my Señora life, and I'm going to attempt to do flour tortillas for the very first time. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm also excited because I looked into it, and apparently you can make the dough in the stand mixer, so that is a good excuse to use my brand new stand mixer.
Alright, my love, so these are the 4 ingredients we're gonna need. I will leave the exact amount in the description, and I'm going to use my stand mixer, and I'm gonna use this tool. Now I'm gonna start by adding my 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, then I'm gonna add my melted butter. And I'm gonna turn my mixer on the low setting, and then I'm gonna start adding the water. Remember that the water has to be hot. And then I'm gonna turn my mixer into a high setting. I turned it into about a 5, I believe. Also, if you have this mixer, let me know if it's supposed to be doing this. It was moving a lot, and I don't know if it was because the dough is heavy, but I don't know, we'll figure that out later. We're gonna let it mix for 7 minutes, and then we are going to take it out. It should look like this. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. This is how my dough turned out. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like this, but I mean, it worked out. Remember, this is the first time I make my dough. Then from this dough, you are going to make small little balls. Also, I didn't know how to make them. I saw some people just roll them, and then some people were making them kind of like what I'm doing. I don't know, I just did whatever I could. And if you're a tortilla specialist, please don't hate me. Alrighty, so this is how mine looked, and then I'm going to cover them for 30 minutes, and then we can get started. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and then I'm going to get my roller and start rolling my little ball. You guys, I was having the hardest time making them like a perfect circle. This was the only one that turned out like this, and then after that, I don't know, they were like turning into squares. I have no idea, but I did the best I could. So yeah, just roll the best you can. Alright, then we're going to take it into our comal. Somebody said that you had to put it into high, but I did that and I burned one of them. So mine was like at about a 1. And then I put it 15 seconds on the first side, and then 30 seconds the second side, and then it should fluff like that. And then you turn it around again for like another 10 seconds. But yeah, this is the first one I burned, but the rest look not too bad for my first time. Let me know how I did.